What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about a cheap $15 mod that you could do on your car. So as you guys see, I do have this license plate, the American flag. It looks cool. I like it. Blacked out, silver. But for me, I don't know, I want to change it up. So I have this cheap $15 mod that I'm going to show you guys. Let me show you. So here we go. I bought it on Amazon. It's a license plate cover and frame, and it's tinted. That's right. So we're tinting out the back license plate. So I'm going to do that right now. It's pretty easy. I already have these black screws that I bought a long time ago, so I'm going to keep those. There's obviously no holes for the bottom, so hopefully it holds pretty well. It doesn't rattle too much, but you know, we're going to try it out. Let me get my screwdriver and try to put this on right now. All right, guys, so as you can see, here it is. It's going to be blacked out. It's got a little bit of a tint. It's not too dark because I do live in New York and these are illegal. You're not supposed to be driving with these on. So I feel like this is light enough that you'll still be able to see the license plate with ease. So I'm gonna remove these screws right now and put this on, and let me do that right now.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah, ayy, and pay me what I'm owed, yeah, all this money on me, yeah, cash rolls all around me, yeah, all this money around me, yeah, cash rolls all around me, yeah, how you feel like a man with that, yeah, I took a long little real life, stay true to that, hey, no mind, how you feel like a man with that, I took a long little real life, stay true to that.
All right, guys, so this is just gonna be a quick video. $15 mod that I bought. You can call it a mod, or it's a license plate replacement. Bought it on Amazon, $15. I'll leave the link in the description. New York, they are illegal, so I don't want to go too dark tint. I know there's darker ones you can buy on Amazon. For me, this one's perfect. So if you're looking for something similar like this, you can still see my license plate, but I feel like it gives more of that blacked out look than the American flag license plate. This does stick out. So the Jeep SRT doesn't have bottom screws over here, so this might bother me. I might just get some like 3M tape, put it on the bottom, and that way it'll kind of keep it stuck there and it won't move around and stuff. So for the front, I do have the stop and go license plate. It's on the side right there. I actually really don't like it, so I'm thinking about taking it off and just risking driving without a front plate. And then if they do pull me over, I'll just tell them that the bracket's broken, it literally just happened. And if the cop is nice enough, he'll probably let me go. But maybe I shouldn't put that on the YouTube video.
Shut your mouth.
I'm sorry? What did you
You're
just
just coming
say?
off stupid.
I'm coming off as stupid. You're wearing tuxedos to a job that requires you to clean bathrooms. Please leave this office. We're done with this interview.
Do we get any sort of souvenir?
Get out of my office!
You know what? We'll throw it on there. Probably ain't gonna watch my YouTube video anyway, so it doesn't make a difference. So I'm gonna take this off right now, so we'll see what it looks like after it's off.
That was so easy.
So it really comes off. There's a little pin down there. If you've never seen the Stow and Show license plate, if you're interested, it's a cool little thing. Keeps it on the bottom of the car. You can put it on the side. I don't know if it goes in the middle of the Jeep. I don't think there's really a spot to put it. I think it just goes on either side. But let's look at how much cleaner the front looks. All right, so looking at the front of the Jeep, look how much of a difference it makes without the stupid license plate there. It looks so much nicer, so much cleaner. So we're gonna rock it that way. We'll see what happens. Worst comes to worst, I'm gonna have it in the car. Maybe I'll put it in the front, I don't know. But that's what it looks like. And then now you can see the back with the tinted license plate holder. And I think it's a nice little touch. So like I said, if you guys are interested, I'll put the link in the description. My car is super filthy right now. It is getting washed on Monday. And then Tuesday, we're gonna have some exciting news. So make sure you stick around. I'm gonna let you guys know what's gonna happen on Tuesday. Yeah, this thing's so dirty. So yeah, it'll be cool. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. So cheap $15 mod for your Jeep. And what do you think? It looks good? She gives the approval. So
Love it.
yeah.
I'm just nervous.
I know, no front plate. I mean, I see a lot of people do it, to be honest. So
It's so loud, so I worry, you know.
I mean, we'll see what happens. We're gonna take our chances. Fingers crossed, and we'll see. But that's gonna do it for this video. So if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.